Spartans, prepare for glory!
Hey everybody, welcome back to my Project 13. Thanks for coming on by and checking out this case review. Appreciate your time and your support. Huge shout out to Poetic for sending me a case that is part of a new series from Poetic. Super stoked, excited to share all the information with all of you. As always, I will be leaving a link down below in the description area, and that link will send you on over to Amazon. But first, the built-in screen protector on this frame, because you get two frames, one with and one without. So you get a choice now with the purchase of this case and a couple other ones that we're going to look at here in just a moment, that built-in screen protector is compatible with your third-party screen protector, whether it's film, tempered glass, whatever. Or you can just use this one here. It's really cool that you're getting two, man. Huge shout out to Poetic for this. You do have an installation guide as well as far as how to use the kickstand. You got some information down here too. So make sure you read everything. Poetic just wants to thank you so much for choosing them when it comes to providing protection for your investment. On the back, installation guide as far as this type of case. If you've never used this type of case before, please read everything. $19.95 is going to get you the Poetic Spartan series designed for the Google Pixel 4 XL 6.3-inch case, full body rugged dual layer metallic, color, premium, leather, texture, shockproof, protective cover with kickstand. Okay, so it says right here, premium leather. Wow, okay. I did not even notice that. Whew, wow. That material is premium leather. Wow. Wow, you cannot go wrong with Poetic. That is fresh. Okay, super stoked. Super stoked about that. You got gunmetal for $19.95, metallic blue, $19.95, and metallic green. I might just bring in the metallic green. That is just, wow, that is gorgeous. Bold, gorgeous, sexy, whatever, man. $19.95. All right, without further ado, I'm going to go ahead and use the built-in one so we can actually go through and test that out. I have a tempered glass screen protector already on my Google Pixel 4 XL, along with that built-in one. Yeah, we're going to make sure everything works the way it should. Let's go ahead and do the wireless charging right away here. Let's just get that out of the way. And it should come on. There it is. Bam, just like that. And down at the bottom, you have a cutout right here for your speaker. Got a mic on the other side. And you got a flap protecting that all-important USB Type-C charging port. And we want to make sure that we don't have any issues with third-party cables. Okay, so we want to put that right in there. Okay, let's turn this off again. Turn off the display. Let's do that again. Bam, just like that. Just like that. Liking that. Loving that. Face unlock. You have all your face unlock sensors right there. That's why we have that cutout right there. So all that functionality can work properly. Got your other speaker up there. Camera, sensors on the upper left-hand corner as well. Nothing on the left-hand side. On the right-hand side, we have the power button. Nice and responsive. Face unlock works really fast. Power button, nice and clicky. So all of that working great. Huge bumpers on every corner of this case to absorb shock. If you were to drop your Google Pixel 4 XL on the ground while sporting this case, the Spartan metallic blue case, man, that is just bold. Digging it. Before I get to the camera cutout, I did want to mention up top, we have another cutout there for the second mic. Now look at that massive cutout surrounding the all-important cameras, sensor, flash, and we have another mic right there. Plenty of depth. That's a lot of depth. A lot of material with the depth, with that cutout. When setting down on most surfaces, wow, you're going to be fine. I prefer to go with a flat surface, but you're not always going to be around a flat surface. Let's say you're hiking and you need to set your device down. You should be fine. Look for a flat area, but like I just said, man, there is a lot of protection going on here. On the front, we got a flat display, and if you choose to go with the built-in screen protector, and if you're sporting a tempered glass, a film screen protector, or a liquid screen protector with the built-in one, with the lip that surrounds the display of my Google Pixel 4 XL with the Spartan case, there is a lot of protection going on there. Lots. All right, we're going to take a couple pictures, make sure that that cutout isn't going to get in the way of giving you great quality pictures while sporting the Spartan case. Want to make sure that there's not going to be any shadowing, any quality issues. And what you get with the pics is what you're going to get with video. So let's go ahead and do that now. Regular wide. And let's go with portrait. Okay. And I will edit those pictures in right in there so you can get a good look at those. But man, yeah, there's no issues going on there whatsoever. Whatsoever. Wow. That is just good looking. And now the touch response. Let's do that really quick. Okay. Very nice and fluid. Very nice. Very nice.
You know it's going to be a good day? Because we just got a giant Pelican case full of unreleased hardware.
Oh, Mr. Linus. My Google feed. Very nice. Very nice. Play Store or Amazon. Play Store. Very nice. Okay. And yeah, everything working great. Look at that. No issues. No issues. No issues whatsoever. Go back to YouTube. Very nice. Best Buy. Okay, so everything opening up the way they should. Everything responding the way it should. And again, we have a built-in screen protector, tempered glass screen protector, and the response is amazing. But if you don't want to utilize the built-in screen protector, here's the other option. Okay? Options are great. One last look at the Spartan Metallic Blue. Two other color choices for $19.95. You cannot go wrong. Wow, that is just good looking. And there you go. Oh yeah, the kickstand. If you choose to do so. If you watch a lot of movies, a lot of videos, I know I do. Yeah. All right, everybody. Thanks for watching. Appreciate your time. Again, a huge shout out to Poetic. You cannot go wrong with Poetic. Please check out their new Spartan series. I'm telling you, man, some good looking cases. But more importantly than that, man, it's protecting your investment. It really, really is. And that is what Poetic does. Okay? All right, till my next video. God bless. Peace. I'm out.
No retreat. No surrender. That is Spartan.